The first day in Hawaii, everyone's up at 6:30 in the morning. We are off to the beach. You cool to go to the beach? You going to the beach?
Yeah. Yeah.
You, Lols?
Yeah.
Go, say it again.
It's so dark.
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 We're on the beach at Waikiki, and there's not going to be much of me talking today because I'm just totally relaxed. I've got Camille waving at me and a massive big storm cloud coming across. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, I'll turn around in a second and show you. It's 11 o'clock. We've been awake since about 6 o'clock. Got to the beach by about 7:30, I think. It's been amazing. The water is like, I don't know, about 30 degrees Celsius in the water, so it's just beautiful here. Hi Adi, what happened to your body?
Nothing.
Your body get chopped off?
No. I'm in the sand.
Are you in the sand hole?
Mm.
That's very cute, isn't it? Want to hop out?
Yeah.
Can you get out?
No.
Okay, hang on. Can I help you? Are you stuck? Formula One car? Where's the steering wheel? What happened to your teeth, Popsy?
I ate a hot chip.
Are you stealing Lola's chips? Feel like a good boy today? Feel like a new man? We're just in the big kahuna. Why it feels so hot? Because it's humid. Like it's nowhere near as hot as Las Vegas, but it feels really, really hot. We just had burgers and a Caesar at Big Kahuna. Massive morning at the beach. We're just going to go and quickly do some looks at some shops, and then after that we'll probably head back to the beach for the afternoon and the sunset. What's that?
I hurt my bum.
You hurt your bum. How? On the sand. Now you have to wear undies, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah.
Up the top.
Up the top. Yeah, that was amazing. Thank you very much.
I'll just bring the check for you in a second.
Thank you. Ada.
And nothing to
How's Hawaii treating you, Bunny?
Love it.
You live here?
I'm hoping that it will become like our, if we get good at picking up the specials, we can come here instead of going to a burger.
Okay. Do you want
it's cooler.
to wear your South Sydney jersey?
Nah, but if we can get flights for 5 of us to come here for $1,200, which we pretty much did, return,
What about a Bintang singlet?
I don't care. It's pretty relaxing, and I've never seen water that colour before.
What about a Singha singlet?
Did you see the water this morning?
Yeah, I did. What'd you see when you got to the beach this morning, Ross? Ballerina. Tomato sauce face.
a rainbow.
Oh, what was it?
A rainbow.
How big was it? Big one?
No, I didn't.
Come on, Big Kahuna. Let's go.